It's Matthew again, and today is 1st of April 2026, and this is our second strategy for today. We're going to be dropping some strategies across all the channels today, 1st of April 2026. So here we are trading the Volatility 15 1x touch no touch, and we're on the D trader interface. There's a trade ongoing right there. So we are going to be using the Aroon indicator right in this strategy. So once you log in to your trading account, you go to the indicator right here, then you click on trends and you click on Aroon. So once you do that, you go to your trade type. We're trading the touch no touch. You go to the trade type, you click on touch no touch, and then you're going to set the durations to minutes. You're going to set this to 5 minutes, and you're going to enter the barrier offset plus 1.652 plus 1.652. So the indicator is going to show right here. The indicator will show right here. So after this timeout, I'm going to explain to you what you're going to be doing after the trade. I'm going to explain to you. So these are time count right here. These are time count for this ongoing trade. So as you can see, we won the trade right there. We made $3.2 right there. So we're going to be placing our trade once the green cross the red, and the red must be above the green. So this is the Aroon indicator right here. The red has to be above the green. You can see right now the green is right above the red. So the red is going to go above the green, and the green is going to cross the red. You can see the red is now above. You can see how the red crossed the green right there. So the green must cross the red before you click on touch. You can see this spot. The red crossed the green, and the red jumped right above the green. So the green must cross the red. So once the green crosses the red, you have to click on touch immediately. So you can see the green has crossed the red right there. The green has crossed the red, and the green is now right above. So That's when you place your trade and you wait for the outcome of your trade. And make sure you've set your barrier offset, make sure you set the time, make sure you choose the indicator, and that's it for this strategy. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. So as you can see, we want that trade as well. We want that trade. So we're going to stop here because we're going to drop more strategies today, the 1st of April 2026. So make sure you subscribe to all our channels. And for those who haven't gotten the buy sell indicator and the toss keeper board and the pip stripper board, check the video description on YouTube to order the boards and the indicator. The indicator works on Deriv MT5 and also other Forex broker platform that support MT5. And you get gifts when you order any of our boards or indicator. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. So this is the link right here. This is the link right here. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account. For those who don't have a trading account, use this link to sign up for a free trading account to test the strategies on demo. And here are the links to subscribe to our channels. There's the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels. And this is the link to follow these instructions to get the indicator for free. That's a buy sell indicator. It works on Deriv MT5. We're giving it away for free. And for those who don't have a trading account, want to sign up using the link above, follow the instructions in the video description for the indicator. And here are the links to order the boards. This is the link to order the pip stripper board for Deriv, and this is the link to order the toss keeper board for Deriv. Sign up for a free trading account using this link as stated earlier, and subscribe to all our channels. There are other infos in the video description. Check the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.